loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Welcome back to Vlogtober day 14. Today's video is my Sunday faves and nays. I kind of just share with you guys mini reviews on products I've been testing out for the week, give you guys my honest opinion on them. In case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. Also, don't forget I'm uploading a video every single day for the month of October. Pretty sure you guys saw me wearing it in recent videos when I was applying my makeup. Brand Beat Bib. Now this is exactly what you guys think. It is essentially a bib that you wear when you're applying your makeup. Today's video is in partnership with Beat Bib. Thank you so much to Beat Bib for partnering with me for this video because I absolutely think this is a necessity item, especially when you're applying your makeup. Show you guys closely what it looks like. I mean, it's really cute. It's black with the pink writing, which I really love. I also really like how it has the brush as the eye for the lettering. It has 5 pockets at the bottom to place your brushes, your makeup, 2 adjustable snap closures. Let me wear the Beat Bib. Super, super innovative. Now, what you can do is stuff your brushes right here in the pocket, for instance. The cool thing about the Beat Bib is that, say if you want to clean off your brush, you can actually clean it off here. You can swish it onto the Beat Bib itself. Switch out using different colored eyeshadows using the Beat Bib, which I think is really convenient. These are also made of 100% cotton, so all you need to do is just pop them in the washing machine, let it dry. It's made of fleece on the back. The best thing about it is that it's portable. You can just fold it up, throw it in your makeup bag, in your purse, in your luggage. It's a great item just to kind of have with you on hand, especially say if you're going to be doing your makeup in the car, touching up, already wearing your garments that you're going to be wearing out for the night or out for the day. Snap it on right before touching up your makeup, your foundation, eyeshadow, blush, just to ensure that none of the makeup particles end up somehow trickling on your clothing. They were so generous and provided a coupon code where you can receive some money off your entire purchase. The coupon code is BB Cruz. I'm gonna link them down below in the description box. Make sure you guys check them out because I think it is such an awesome product. Also been a fave of mine this week is going to this eyeshadow palette. I filmed a whole review swatch video with 5 different looks. This is the new Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection eyeshadow palette called DELUXE. So you basically receive 6 foiled eyeshadows at the top, 3 matte eyeshadows, and then the rest are all shimmer. I'm gonna leave the whole review video right up here in the card area if you guys want to check it out. It's also the eyeshadows that I'm wearing today. Something to keep in mind is that the crease color is a different eyeshadow. It's not from this palette, but today I use this shadow down here called Replay, which is this gorgeous gold eyeshadow. Very, very beautiful. I used an eyeshadow primer, set it, a bit of concealer to kind of cut the crease. And then I just patted on this eyeshadow on top of it and it really just intensified the shadows I've been wearing on the daily, which I've been really enjoying this week. This was sent to me from It Cosmetics. I have one of these in a medium, which was just way too pale. Your Skin But Better CC Plus Oil-Free Matte, which contains the SPF 40. They sent me the shade Neutral Tan. I'm wearing this on the face today. I filmed a whole review demo on it. I'm gonna link it up here in the card area, but this shade Neutral Tan is like, it's just spot on shade for me. Love the way how this wears throughout the day. Also really appreciate how it contains the SPF 40. The only reason why I haven't really been talking about it that much, even though I filmed that review 2 months ago and raved about it, is because the shade was just too light for me. So whenever I would wear it, even though I would wear bronzer, I think just because I had tanned so much over the summer that it just made my face look so pale. And I tried to mix it with either like the Bye Bye foundation or with the CC Plus, but I like the formula of the oil-free matte. Let's talk about some lip products because we got 4 different lip products this week. The first one is a lip combo that I'm also wearing at this very moment. Lip liner from the brand Pop Beauty. This is in the shade Nudie. I think I might have already talked about this lip liner in previous videos. Nudie Pinky Brown. It has more of like a triangular shape to it. It glides on really smoothly on the lips, no tugging. Then I've been pairing it with this Too Faced Melted Matte in the flavor or in the shade Sugar Cookie. I filmed a whole review on these. This is called the Sweet Smell of Christmas Lip Set. I'm gonna link that video right up here in the card area in case you guys want to check it out. Nudie pinky color, but once you kind of pair it together, it's a really good combination because it kind of turns the pink a little bit more brown in a sense. Granted, in that video where I kind of just did lip swatches of this product, I just wore it alone, and at first I honestly thought that it might wash me out, but I was pleasantly surprised with this shade. Makeup Revolution, I know I've been reviewing a lot of their products, but they're just coming out with some really awesome products. Very affordable brand. This is part of their jewel collection, so I have two which I've been playing around with this week. The first one is called Luxurious. This is a lip topper. It's sheer pink with gold glitter, but something to note about this is that it doesn't have chunks of glitter. And it's also very comfortable on the lips. It's also not very sticky. There is a tack to it, but it's not very sticky where it's it can be uncomfortable. Let me just apply a little bit more. Really love the formula. I like how reflective it is because it's more of like a duochrome. Other one which I've also been playing around with, this one is in the shade Exquisite. Duochrome sheer pink with cool tone silver. It has like a bit of an iridescence to it, so sometimes it may come off like a little bit bluish, a little bit greenish. I have been interchanging both of these, but if you were to ask me which one I like the most, it would have to be Luxurious, just because I feel like it goes practically with anything. I'm also able to wear this on its own. This one called Exquisite actually washed me out. Just so cool tone that it really washed me out. But I still like the formula. It actually doesn't even smell like anything in my opinion. There's no scent to it. So my mom and I were at Seafood City, which is more of like a Filipino market, and I saw this at the register. I had to pick it up. Seen this before, but I've just never tried it. Hello Kitty chocolate marshmallow candy, chocolate cream filling. 6 pieces of these marshmallows is about 110 calories. So addictive that I kind of had to put them on the side, because if I have them on top of my desk, I know I'm just gonna keep eating them. But I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I love the wrapper because there's Hello Kitty, and then let's open one of these marshmallows. So you guys can see the center has the chocolate cream filling. So delicious. I'm gonna give this other half to my husband. One unfortunate nay this week that really just didn't work out for me. This is from the brand Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. I wore these in one of my videos this week, and I'm telling you, I had the most difficult time applying my lashes. I think it was in the PR haul video, talked about how I don't think I really use Ardell lashes that often. And now that I think about it, it's because of the band. I'm not sure if it's like this with all of the Ardell lashes. Just keep in mind that this already has some glue and some liner on it, so that's why you can see the band a little bit more prominent. But when I first got these, the band was very thin, so when I apply it as close to my lash line as possible, it actually ends up always falling onto my lashes. Then I end up getting lash glue on there. I had to apply it and then reapply it. I think I spent a good like 20 minutes applying the lashes, and I was very annoyed. But I like my bands to have a bit of stiffness to them, not too stiff where it's going to be extremely difficult to apply it, but it needs to have a bit of a bend to it. Let me know if that happens to you guys, or maybe it's just me. So that's everything I wanted to share with you guys for my Sunday faves and nays video. Please don't forget to comment down below some of your faves or nays of the week. I would love to know. Can't believe we are almost halfway through the month with the 31 days of videos. So I have a lot more content that will be up here on my channel. If you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. Make sure you guys come back tomorrow for Vlogtober day 15. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the other Vlogtober videos, which I'm gonna put right up here on the screen. Thank you, love, so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogtober day 15. Mwah.